Welcome to Absolute ERP. Previously, we have learned how to create quotation. In this video, we will see how you can revise the quotation. Let's see it. For revising the quotation, simply click on Quotation tab. As you see, all your previous created quotations is appearing on this page. In the last video, we have covered all the quotation creation. This is our created quotation. If you want to revise this particular quotation, you have an option, Revise Quotation tab. Click over this tab. This is Revise Quotation page. From here, you simply edit and revise the things according to you. As you see, a particular suffix represent revise part and have been added after your quotation number. R1 denotes that this is your first time revising this quotation. Afterward, revise the things accordingly and save it. Now, your quotation has been revised, and you can share it to your customer. If you want to revise it again, then follow the same process. After, click on your Revise Quotation Number. In More option, you able to view your old quotation. By this option, you can make a comparison between previous one and revised one. Today, we have covered how to revise your quotation. If you want to know more about Absolute ERP, you stay with our other videos. Thanks for watching.